Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 Subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. In this chapter, we have learned the physical and the chemical change and also performed some activities and we got some results about the activities. In our recent previous video, we have started of learning types of chemical reactions. In the types of chemical reactions, we have already learned two types. First one is combination reaction and the second one is decomposition reaction. Today in this video we are going to continue that topic, which is decomposition reactions. We will see some another example for the decomposition reaction. So let us start with the activity 1.8. Therefore, here you can see the figure and the name of this activity, which is silver chloride turns gray in sunlight to form silver metal. Let us observe this figure. For this activity, we need the china dish and the silver chloride. Now let us understand the process of this activity. First of all, what will we do? We will take about 2 gram silver chloride in the china dish and you have to observe what is the color of the silver chloride. Okay, now place this china dish in sunlight for some time. Now we will keep this china dish in front of the sunlight for some time. After some time, we will observe the color of the silver chloride. What are the changes in the color? We will observe after the some time. So let us see what are the observation and what are the changes. You will see that white silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. First of all, the color of the silver chloride is white and it turns into the gray color in the sunlight. So the color change in the silver chloride, this is due to the decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. So here there is a decomposition. The reactant breaks down into the simpler products. That is the definition of decomposition. Here the silver chloride is our reactant and it breaks down into the silver and the chlorine by the light. Now let us see its chemical reaction. So 2AgCl solid form, if we are giving it sunlight, then we get 2Ag solid form plus Cl2 gas. So here is the chemical reaction for the decomposition reaction, which is silver chloride into silver and chlorine. Next, silver bromide also behaves in the same way. Let us understand. 2AgBr solid, if we are giving it sunlight, then we are getting 2AgS plus Br2G. It means if we are taking silver bromide in place of silver chloride in the china dish and we will keep aside into the sunlight for some time, then we will get same process. It means the decomposition reaction for the silver bromide. So here the silver bromide is reactant and it break down into the silver and the bromine. So this is the example of decomposition reaction. So here are the two chemical reactions for the decomposition reaction. The above reactions are used in black and white photography and these are very useful in the black and white photography. What form of energy is causing this decomposition reaction? Do you know? We have seen that the decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, light, of electricity for breaking down the reactants. It means if we want that a reactant breaks down, it means we want the decomposition reaction, then it needs heat, light, or electricity. It means the decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, light, or electricity. So in this video we have learned the another example of decomposition reaction by an activity. In our next video we will continue our types of chemical reaction. Till thank you.